Hi, I'm Jennifer Bradley, celebrity makeup artist. We're going to talk about which comes first, eyeshadow or eyeliner. I'm here at the Academy of Glam Studios. I'm with my lovely model, Taylor Torino, and we're going to talk about eyeshadow and eyeliner. People always want to know what comes first. It really doesn't matter. However, I'm going to start with the eyeshadow first this time. I'm going to use a brush and some coppery shadow and apply the shadow to the lid. The point of eyeshadow and eyeliner is to accentuate eyes. And once again, it really doesn't matter which one you use first, it's just applying them well to make eyes look bigger, smokier, prettier. It's all about the application. After applying the eyeshadow, I'm going to take the eyeliner, look all the way up, and gently line her eyes. Close your eyes. I'm also going to take the eyeliner and put it at the base of her lashes. Using my fingers to smudge out any imperfections open. I'm doing the same on the other side. Close your eyes. Open. So once those are both even, you have a nice eye makeup look. And that is my segment on what comes first, eyeshadow or eyeliner. This has been Jennifer Bradley, celebrity makeup artist. Thank you very much for watching.